Oh, didn't see you there. Tech tip for all y'all guys. Check out these sweet 3-piece chrome HRE wheels. If you got it, you gotta flaunt it. If you drive your car normally, this might not be for you. But if you're into ripping, all right, see this little wheel weight right there? He is your friend most of the time. If you get your brakes real hot, I've been at the track and I've seen people's wheel weights hanging like this far from the wheel because that adhesive will turn into like a goo. So, to alleviate this problem, get yourself a nice little rag, some tin tape, a scissor so your cut is straight. This is the smooth of your choice. This is gonna be on the inside of your wheel, okay? So it might not matter to you, but for me it does matter. So be very careful with what you pick, because right now we're gonna get any kind of dust, any kind of wax, any kind of polish residue off of the weight and of the wheel around the weight. We're gonna take our little tin tape, take a quick little guesstimation on how much we're gonna need. Boop. Set it on the weight, dude. Done deal. Nice and tight. Get that down on there good. And now, hopefully, your wheel weight doesn't go anywhere. Before you take a car to the track, especially, or you know, even if you're driving, having a little bit of fun on the street maybe, on a sports car, definitely tape your wheel weights.
I would go so far as to mention how hot the rim and tire gets. I mean, brakes or otherwise. I mean, you've burnt your finger on a valve stem coming off the track, haven't you? The fucking thing is hot, dude. The whole fucking rim's hot. It ain't just a brake from parking.
Well, it's definitely not just from parking it. No. Nice and clean. I would probably not recommend squirting that right on the weight. Put it on your rag.
Maybe even get her a second blow if you're feeling like a second blow.
Fucking blow it.
I think very rarely you could say you've been blown too much.
Oh no.
I've never been blown too much. I can't put that in there. I can't do it.
Worth it. Worth it. Does it look better? It might even look better. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You can't even see the weight now. Where'd the weight go?
Where'd the weight
Where'd
go?
the weight go?
Maybe on a set of black. Maybe we should get some black tin tape.
I've seen guys spray paint the tape when they're done on black wheels for vanity.
I think that's a little bit much.
Yeah, track wheels. But again, why?
Yeah. So there's, I guess, your Ellsworth Racing tip for the day. I know for most people it's going to be just common knowledge. But
You gotta start somewhere. No one's born knowing it all. You gotta know why. You gotta know how. You gotta know when. You gotta know where.
I know that I've missed this on our own cars.
Yep, we had them balanced and we forgot to check.
I've seen them. Yep. I've been at the track with our own cars and going,
The weights are gone.
yeah. And that's, we actually have tin tape in the trailer
Yep.
for that purpose, because yeah, it's better to just have it in the trailer and not need it than need it and not have it. There's another tech tip, I guess. Bring a little tin tape with you to the track. I know I used it on my car when I had a little bit of a heat issue from my exhaust. And it seemed to kind of protect the paint, keep the heat off them, you know, so. There's just another day, another dollar, another happy customer.
Yes, sir.